Welcome, fellow wine enthusiasts. Today we have a special treat for you as we are going to be tasting and reviewing Hawk Haven's 2022 Signature Series Sauvignon Blanc. This exceptional wine is known for its unique taste and aromas, and we can't wait to share our experience with you. So just a quick word about our Signature Series label. An experimental farmer, our winemaker takes chances and really pushes the envelope. Our estate vines are his most prized asset. Those that rise to the challenge, producing what he considers to be worthy, earn that Signature Series label of our limited production artisan collection.
Our Signature Series wine label is something that I started to showcase the quality and commitment that we have to our own vineyard right here in Cape May wine country. Something about the soils and the air and the salt breeze from the ocean and the bay allow these grapes to thrive and prosper and generate these amazing flavors that we have that are showcased in our wines. The other thing I did with that is I really wanted to prove this dry, estate-grown fruit to say that we can compete on the worldwide market. Some of the things were outside of the box. Gewürztraminer, Tempranillo. We didn't really know what we could actually achieve with those grapes. We wanted to do it, wanted to prove what was actually capable from here. With the Signature Series label, I use a combination of traditional and postmodern techniques to really elevate the style and quality of the wines. Anywhere from extended skin contact on white wines, using skins from different grapes to enhance the quality and colors of other wines, different things that we can rely on our knowledge of winemaking to help us really drive those quality wines. The beauty of this collection is that it truly represents the quality that this region is known for.
So just to start off, we are going to get just a little bit technical. Sauvignon Blanc is a green-skinned grape variety that originates from the Bordeaux region of France. It is grown in various wine-producing regions around the world, including New Zealand, California, South Africa, and of course right here in Cape May wine country at Hawk Haven Vineyards. Our Sauvignon Blanc was harvested in the late summer of 2022, and it was produced in the dry style, meaning there is no residual sugar. It was also fermented and aged in stainless steel until it was bottled in April of 2023 at 12.3% ABV.
So our Signature Series Sauvignon Blanc starts primarily with our double wire trained Sauvignon Blanc grapes. We're definitely going to take those grapes, crush, destem those, give those an extended skin contact to really drive all those aromatic thiols that are going to give this wine that wonderful expression. This grape, with the trellising system that it has, always retains really bright, beautiful acidity and has those tropical notes that just make this a wonderful drinking wine. Our Signature Series Sauvignon Blanc differs from most of our white wines in that we want skin contact with this variety of wine. Normally we would do what we call a whole cluster press, allowing us to extract all the juice, minimizing how much contact we have with the skins. With this Signature Series Sauvignon Blanc, we want that skin contact. We want to extract all those aromas and thiols that are going to give this wine its expression, flavor, and mouthfeel.
So let's go ahead and pour ourselves a glass and take a closer look at this elegant wine. As you can see, the Sauvignon Blanc is very clear, but it has a lovely pale lemon green hue, indicating its youth and freshness. So now let's take a moment and just appreciate the delightful aromas of this wine. The nose is filled with vibrant notes of honeydew lemon, pear, and a subtle hint of freshly cut grass. This is a classic characteristic of Sauvignon Blanc, and it's very captivating. And now it's the time that I've been waiting for to taste test. The palate is crisp and refreshing. I'm definitely picking up hints of zesty lemon. I'm picking up white peach and definitely a hint of tropical fruit. I think that this wine's lively acidity is perfectly balanced by a subtle minerality, making an excellent choice to pair with a variety of dishes. So we hope that you enjoyed today's video and review of Hawk Haven's Signature Series Dry Sauvignon Blanc. You have to let us know in the comments what your favorite summer wine is, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you very soon in the next one.